This is Jet's GPS Fleet Solutions. It's a client tutorial on our Jet's GPS Fleet Tracker system. One thing we get asked quite often is how to change the name on a vehicle. So that vehicle could have been sold and the tracker removed and put on a different one. It could be that you have different names for your vehicles besides the registrations. Could be you want to include the driver name. Any of those type scenarios. It's a very simple thing to be able to do on an administrator login. Each initial login that we set up for our clients has full access to all the administration portal. You can then set up other users with restricted access. So an administrator would go into administration, they'd select assets and the vehicle that they want to edit. On the right hand menu, you click on the little edit button and you can change that to whatever you want. Click on save, go back into your fleet and refresh. And then there you go, that's the name changed.